So what's up? Today is Thursday, April 18th, 2024. This is going to, it might be longer than some of the previous ones I've done, but we'll see. I just wanted to come in real quick and do like a overview of what I saw this week, and just, letting everybody know that our targets were met for this week, what we were looking for, and just, get back on here and talk to everybody. I haven't talked to you guys since Sunday, so here we go. I want to start with ES. I'm gonna go back up. Actually, I'm gonna start with Bitcoin. So I've been looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been hanging around this, like, the 60 to 65,000 area. I want to see us get back down into the 50s. 54, between 51 and 54 is what I'm looking for. To be exact, it's 51,858 and 54,398. So I'm looking forward to get back down there at some point. This is a daily chart. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. Anyways, this is a daily chart, so as I previously stated, I tend to stick with not trading Bitcoin, so I just like to analyze the price action and see what it's doing. Anyways, I'm looking at ES on the daily and NASDAQ on the daily. So starting with ES, where's Monday? So we closed Friday last week, and I alluded to seeing a market structure shift, and I wanted to see what we were going to do in this gap. We opened Monday, ran up, and then dove down right through this gap. So it's been a very, very strong week to the downside. I wasn't actually looking at ES this week. I was just using it for reference. I was looking at NASDAQ because when we opened Monday or Sunday, whichever one you want to go by, when we opened, we were above that 17,831 even level. That's the level I was looking for, which is below these two relative equal lows here. Monday we reached down towards it. We didn't actually get through it until the following day, which was Tuesday. So as I previously stated, I haven't traded this week, or I don't know if I said that or not, but saying it now, I haven't traded this week. I've just been kind of analyzing the markets and looking for what I would have taken as an entry if I were to trade. So that's kind of what I'm going to go over with the rest of this video. So Monday, was the 15th. I don't think I looked at the charts on Monday. So this is the thing. I actually work at a school right now currently, and it was state testing week for a lot of the grade levels. So I wasn't able to be on any electronics or look at the charts while I was at work. So that's why I didn't take any trades, because I wasn't, physically able to. But anyways, we'll just start with Wednesday, and then we'll go over. There was another day. I'm not sure. I think it was today, this morning. Yeah, we'll go over the trade that I was looking at this morning, or the idea that I was looking at this morning that I posted in the community tab, and then that'll be that. We'll end it there. So enough rambling from me. Let me go ahead and get into it so I can get you guys up out of here. So anyways, yesterday, Wednesday, the 17th of April, we were trading in this range, and we went and took out these highs over here. Boom. That liquidity was taken to the upside, the buy side liquidity. Then we started to move down very rapidly. And as you guys know, I like to trade between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock New York time. So we started to begin declining rapidly, looking for us to get below this low here from Wednesday morning or overnight, Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. Yeah, whichever one you want to call it. Looking for that low. There was this fair value gap here. Boom. As you see, price traded into the 50% level, so that would have definitely been a trade for me. And then ultimately fell down between or below the overnight low from the London session. NASDAQ probably would have been the trade that I actually would have taken, because as you can see, NASDAQ was moving very, very violently to the downside. We had a nice pool of liquidity taken. We had all these highs here. 1, 2, 3, 4 highs in a row taken, as well as these two back here. So we basically went all the way up and filled in the rest of this run here from Tuesday. Okay, anyways, go back to here. So this one didn't give me an entry until, or wouldn't have given me, oh, excuse me, burped. This one wouldn't have given me an entry until a little bit lower, but still the same premise. We saw this gap, which was above the 50% level of this price leg here. So if you guys want to see that, we can go use the body, boom. Body, boom. You get your 50% level here. At 17,868.75. So right here, the 50% level of the fair value gap is actually also the 50% level of the price leg, which is great to see. Gives me a lot of confidence in taking that trade. And we were going for this low here, same low from the previous session, so the London session of Wednesday, at around the exact same time as the one on ES. So boom, that would have been our target if we were trading that day. And as you can see, ran up in there, ran down, came back up again, smashed down through it some more. So that would have been a trade. And then this morning, NASDAQ, and then over to yes. So what we saw was we had a large decline down here this morning at the opening bell. Check out all this liquidity here, and here, which we want to see it take out the buy side liquidity first if we were expecting it to be, a stronger day to the downside like the previous days this week. But we took out the sell side first. So on both charts, as you can see, we came up around 10 o'clock and we created a fair value gap here, which if I was trading, these would be my 2 entries, or my 1 entry. I would have tried to get in here. If not here, I would have got in here. Shoot, move the box on accident. Anyways, going up to a 5-minute, I was ultimately aiming for us to take out this high on ES, and as you can see, I almost skipped past NASDAQ on accident. But you have this gap here at around the same time. It was created around the same time, 10:04, and then you have this gap here above it, which both could have been entries for me if I was trading today. Going up to a 5-minute now. I was looking for a NASDAQ to get up here to, it was this right here, 17,772, I believe, even, is what I put on the community tab this morning. And for ES, I was looking for it to get up to here to 50.97 even. That's where I thought we were going to go after we took those lows and started running upwards, but we did not. So, I mean, it is what it is. Sometimes you're going to be wrong. That's fine. But all in all, either one of these could have been a profitable trade because, I mean, if you're trailing your stop and, you know, managing the risk you're supposed to, or the way you're supposed to, then easy peasy, money will be made. But as for me, no money was made this week, at least not on the charts. So I just want to keep saying that because I know people will be like, whatever they want to say. But with that, I will leave you guys until Sunday, I believe, when I do the next pre-market analysis for the upcoming week of the 22nd through the 26th. Until then, stay safe. See you guys next time. I forgot to say this in the first part of the video that I recorded, so I'm just going back and recording this part. The reason I didn't trade this week is because our target was hit on Monday, and I wasn't expecting it to be hit on Monday, so I wasn't expecting a trade Monday. So once our target was hit, which was that I was looking for NQ because it was lagging behind ES from last week. So I was looking for NQ to hit that 17,831 level. It did that Monday, or it came close to it Monday, so I left the market alone for this week. That's actually the only reason I didn't trade, just following the rules, following my rules. And since my weekly target was hit, I did not enter or put anything at risk, whether that be mental capital or actual capital. So just wanted to make that clear and put that out in the air. So yeah.